Hey guys, welcome to BS and Bench Racing for a Monday. And after all the stuff that's been happening, I figured we should start off a Monday on a fun, exciting foot. So the video you're about to see is from 2 runs in an autocross in our former project car, the 1984 Pontiac Trans Am WS6. And if you ever thought autocross isn't a high-intensity sport, I want you to comment after you watch the video. In addition, what I'm going to do is put a link to another YouTuber's footage of the same runs from the outside. So let's start Monday with a bang, let's have some fun, and let's let you see how intense autocross really is. You're on. Okay, hold it dead ahead.
So do I grip anything or should I just let it?
Hang on the best you can. This is our ride at the auto slalom for the Classical Gas weekend. Go. Ooh, got another half sec off. They made a couple of mistakes. Okay, I'm going to catch one more. Test over.
There we go.
Before she overheats.